Monkey.
He's scratching his belly.
Wow.
That's cute. I haven't seen that one before.
Well, that's kind of pretty, isn't it?
Hey, imagine if I dropped my phone down here. That would not be good. Hey, look at this blue bird. Look. See him right there? He's bright blue. There's probably some poison dart frogs in here too.
Tommy, he almost matches you.
Yeah, he almost does match you. That's Dad. That's the bird. That's Dad. That's the bird. Ding it on, ding ding dong. What is that? Is that a kiwi? Look at it. That's cool. Look it right here. Look.
Dude, what are you doing right there?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. And there's parrots. Hey, the parrots match you too.
Ring up the ring the dong.
Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, one day they were talking. Oh, look at that turtle down there. Hi, birdie. Remember that little duck that was down here? Hey, there it is. Their little friend down there. I hear something else over here. What else am I hearing? There he is. Little friend. Bring it on, ding ding dong. Big bananas. Hey, isn't there monkeys in there? Oh, yes, not. Hey, Dad, do it. Do it. Let's see what you are this time.
Back up here and spread your eyes.